I am back like I never left. Michael PL speaking, and today we are back with another banger for you all traders. So whether you are a complete beginner or you have been in the game for a while, you are definitely going to enjoy today's video. We are going to be breaking down the market, taking a deep look at two powerful pairs step by step. So make sure that you stick around because every detail matters and you don't want to miss the setup that is forming right now. So by the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to approach the chart with more clarity and confidence. And before we get started, please make sure that you like, you subscribe, and you turn on your notifications so that you are notified whenever I upload. So let's work. So we are going to be analyzing two things, USD CAD and also gold. So we are going to start with USD CAD. So the thing about USD CAD is that in my market structure video, I did analyze it. Just that in that video, I was more into sharing what a market structure is. How do we identify the market structure? So in today's video, I am going to be utilizing all the information that I shared in this YouTube channel, starting from support and resistance, technical analysis, market structure as well, and also MTF. So I'm just going to take everything, put it into one. So I hope everything is clear. So let's begin. So we start with USD CAD. So we are, like I said, that we are going to be utilizing all the information. So in my MTF, I mentioned that whenever we analyze, we start on higher time frame going down, which we are still going to use the same information. So currently we are on our 1M, which is our monthly time frame, and we are looking for direction. So currently we see that the market has been going down, went up, created this high, went down, created equal lows, which is double bottom, which is a reversal pattern, went up, broke this high. It means that change of trend, went up, created our playground. So now we see that the market is playing around this level. So we are going to create our support and resistance, our key levels, our playground. So remember that what we want to know when we start is our trend, our bigger picture. We want to know the bigger picture, what is currently happening on the bigger picture. And we also want to know the trend. So now we know the trend, that when we broke this high, it means that now we are changing trend. Now we are going up. So far, we are having our playground ceiling floor. We know that the market moved from support to resistance to support. So let's go to daily time frame. It's fine. So from daily, we can tell that the market created a equal highs. So it created 112, 30, triple top. So it's possible that the market might be trying to go down. So currently the market created impulse, correction, and it might create another impulse. So we are having this key level, which is the start of this correction. So the market has 90% chances of reaching here. So whenever you see this type of correction, just know that the market has high chances of reaching where it started. And again, I am identify this other key level. So meaning that when we break here, I will be targeting this one. So I see impulse correction, and the market is likely to do what? To create another impulse. And again, the market might be creating a bigger picture. What? A head and shoulder. Let me try to highlight it. Impulse. Remember that it might create a head and shoulder. It always be perfect. The market does not need to be perfect. It's one thing you have to know. So it might create this head and shoulder, or let me erase this thing. It might create head and shoulder from this point, or it might create a larger correction from this side so that it can complete this head and shoulder. So now we are still looking for direction. Remember that I'm still on higher time frame. Okay, so let's see what is happening. Okay, it's fine. So now I can see that the market is here creating, let me highlight this thing, created a reversal pattern. You also have to know about patterns. So I am gonna make sure that I create a video specifically for patterns, which I did mention also in my previous video. I'm just not sure which video. So we can tell that the market has been creating a reversal pattern. So it means that the market has high chances of doing what? Going down to this point. So let me just erase this thing, because I'm a fan of playing with key levels. So from this key level, I can tell that we retested this key level, meaning that we're also having another key level. We broke and retested this key level. Do you see? We broke and retested this one. We broke and retested this one here, meaning that if we can go to a bigger picture, we are also having these two key levels, this one's and also this one. Well, so we are going to utilize on this one. Let me do this. So what's my point? My point is that since the market has been behaving like this, breakdown, retest, you see here, breakdown, retest here, it means that it's possible that the market can go down, break down, retest before it continue going down. So what am I trying to say? I am trying to say that the market can create an entry position around this level. You see, so the market has been doing what? Resisting. And here it did what? Support. Remember that in my support and video, support and resistance video, I mentioned that this is a support and resistance. It's a zone, not a thin line. And again, the market is not forced to touch the zone. It can be above it, can be below it, but then what matters is that it reacted because of that zone. So it created what? A support here. It went down. So I anticipate that the market can do what? Go down, retest, and go down. So we are going to be looking at our entry position from here. And again, I always mention that the market is 50-50. It can go either way. Meaning that we must not mirror a trend. We must not say because the market is going down, it's obviously going to go down. So what I'm trying to say is that it's also possible that the market can hit this zone and also go up. Now, remember that on the bigger picture, we changed trend. The bigger picture says that we are currently going up. And what we have been seeing here is that the market has been correcting, going up. So it's possible that we can also continue going up. We can hit this and go up. If we break this, we expect a retest at least and go down. If not a retest, then a continuation correction. So it is that simple. So we are expecting a break. Then after a break, then any correction above this thing so that we can continue going down with it. So our target will be this one. If we break, then our other target is this one. Okay, so let me just highlight here. Another thing is that you must not mirror a direction. You must not say working the market is gonna 100% go down, because you are gonna be expecting the market to go down. Hence, you are just gonna see things that are not existing. You're gonna see the market create a certain thing, and you will think the market is gonna go to your direction. You must have a neutral mind. You must have that mindset. The market can go down, the market can go up, anything is possible. So that if the market is giving you sign that it's gonna go down, you take it. You take that opportunity, you take that information into your advantage. Like wise opposite direction. Okay, so currently I'm on my H4. So it means that I'm still looking for direction. So meaning I'm anticipating that the market can go down. Remember, let me remove this thing for cleanness purpose. So it created a reversal pattern. So I am anticipating that the market can do what? It can create a continuation pattern. It can break, retest before it go down. Let me use this thing. So my entry will be around this point. So let me further go down. So yeah, so far we are moving smoothly. Let me remove this one. So we are just gonna pay attention on what is currently happening. So what is my prediction? My prediction is that the market can do what? The market can create the same thing, go here. It's also possible then we continue going down. So what are we looking for? Any correction. If we see this type of correction, we're gonna take it. If we see this type of pullback, retest, we're gonna take it. You see, so my view is that we are gonna be having something of this nature. Let me do this. Let me do this. You see, this ratio 1:5, which is a proper ratio. So this is my first pair. Let me move to gold and let's dig gold. So currently we are on gold and we are on higher time frame, which is our monthly time frame. As you can see that gold has been doing nothing but to buy. It has been going up ever since when 2018 August. It has been going up. So on a higher time frame, which is our monthly time frame, there's nothing that we can do here. There's nothing that we can highlight, because if we do so, we will be forcing things. So let me go to my daily time frame, which is what is happening in the market. Okay, let's go to our daily time frame. So on that video of MTF, I did mention that there are certain pairs you can't do anything. You can't start on higher time frame. Gold, Nasdaq, German 30, US 30. Gold, you can't start on a higher time frame, which is actually you can't start on a monthly time frame. Or you will be forced to start on daily, at least daily, going down. It's fine. Gold, currently we are on daily, and you can see that the market has been not doing nothing but going up. So currently the market has been performing like this, which I'm suspecting again is just similar to this, and similar to this. But then overall the market is gonna do what? Overall the market is gonna go up. So what am I seeing from here? I am seeing that me checking what the market has been previously doing. I see that the market, it has this tendency of creating a low. Then after creating a low, the market is likely to go down to that low or approach it. Like for example, you see here, the market created an equal low, but then overall, what did the market do? It went up. It went up. Then from this point again, it created this low, and what happened? The market tried to approach this low, but then it did not break. Why? Because we are going up. Went up. Even here, you can see that the market created this low, but then it did not clear it, break it, went up. So even here, the market did created this low. So I am not expecting I'm not expecting that the market is gonna break this low. Currently, we are still on our H1, and now we are moving to H4. So from H4, then that's where we can cook things now. So we are going to highlight our highest high, and we are going to highlight our low of what the market is currently doing. Now, it is very tricky to analyze gold, USD, and German 30, US 30. It is very tricky. So they require you to use a very small time frame, or you can go as low as 5. So what we are seeing is that the market is playing around this low. We are expecting that the market is going to break this low, but then it can approach it, meaning that it can go around this level, meaning that it's possible that the market can go here and go up. Remember that we are using information that happened to predict what is likely to happen. This is the whole thing of Forex. The whole thing of predicting. We are using what happened to predict what is likely to happen. It's fine. Let me go up. So we are also having this high here. We are also having this high. Actually, let me just move to H1 so that it can be clear. So this high. So you see that the market has been doing what? It respected this high here. Then it reacted. Then it's possible also that the market might do what? Might go up. Remember that gold is very important. If you know the history of money, you'll know that gold goes a long way back. Even that era of Jesus Christ, there was gold there. If you had gold, you have money. Even in this generation, the market is likely to do what? To go up. Remember that our bigger picture is saying that the market can go up. But then do I think that the market is going to go up? I think that the market is gonna go down a bit before it can go up. I see the market reaching this zone here. Let me do it. The market is not okay. Let me do this. I see this thing reaching this zone here. Remember that the aim of analyzing is what is following the market. I'm not saying that the market it is forced to reach this zone. I'm just saying that I think that the market is gonna definitely reach it. So what it's currently doing is that the market is reacting from this key level here. So from there, I think that the market is possible that it is gonna try to go down. So what I also am observing is that the market do not have momentum to go up. The last time it has momentum is when we were, do you see, it bought nicely and it sold nicely. From there, the market did not have enough momentum. But then it's gold. The gold does what it wanna do. So let's go to M15, sorry. Gold is very tricky. Normally when I trade gold, I use key levels only. Key levels, because gold is just gold. So what I'm seeing is that gold is around this zone and it is not perfect. That is one thing you have to know. You have to respect people who are consistently making money with gold, because gold is not perfect. It's not easy to trade gold. You need experience to trade gold. So gold is just gold. So what I'm seeing is that currently the market is here. It's not perfect. It's not creating anything. But then I can see that the market is doing what? It's going up. But then I honestly, judging from what the market normally does, I see the market going to this level. Let me go to my 5H and try to review what is currently happening. Okay, so we are here now. We are here and I can see that we are having our resistance here. Yeah, gold is not perfect. So what I can advise you to do is that you wait, you over patient, so that gold can give us clear direction, because currently it's not looking good. But then also I'm not ruling out the fact that this thing is possible, that this thing can be a continuation correction. Then from this continuation correction, the market did what? Created false breakout, went down and go up. So what I'm gonna do now is just be patient. So if gold does break this low, I am gonna focus on sales. If gold does break this high, I'm gonna focus on buys. So gold is not perfect, and I will make sure that I analyze gold so that you guys can be more familiar with gold, USD, US30, German 30, so that you can be familiar with it. Because if you master those things, can easily make good money. But then I am a currency guy, so, and also gold, I hardly trade Nasdaq, USD. But then I don't know how to trade those. But then actually we'll definitely see. So I think it is very advisable for us to be patient and see what it does. But then, like I say, that I'm expecting that the gold will go down. I'm just gonna be patient with it. I was planning on taking the trade, but let me just be patient and see what is likely to happen. I still say that I expect gold to go down. So please make sure that you like and you subscribe and you turn on your notifications so that you can be notified whenever I upload. So we will meet on another video.